Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have been paying attention to the technology space recently, you already know that the laptop industry is going through one of the most massive shifts we have seen in years. We are officially living in the era of the ARM architecture revolution for the Windows operating system, and it is completely changing everything we thought we knew about battery life, thermal management, and processing performance. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a machine that sits right at the bleeding edge of this new era. I'm talking about the highly anticipated Dell Latitude 7455, specifically the high-end Lati 7455 VYP9M model. This is not just some everyday consumer notebook. This is a 14-inch Snapdragon X Elite powered Copilot PC that has been engineered from the ground up for serious business professionals who simply refuse to compromise on speed, reliability, or portability. If you are a hardcore power user, a dedicated remote worker, or someone who practically lives out of a suitcase and needs a machine that can keep up with a relentless travel schedule, you are going to want to hear about this one. And really quickly, before we get into the details, if at any point in this video you want to check the current pricing, see more technical specifications, or pick one of these laptops up for yourself, I have placed a direct link right down in the description box below. Clicking that link is a fantastic way to support the channel, and I truly appreciate it. Let us start by talking about the physical design and the overall footprint of this machine, because first impressions matter. Dell's Latitude lineup has historically been the gold standard for enterprise and corporate environments, and the 7455 carries that premium legacy forward beautifully. It comes in a highly professional silver finish that looks incredibly sleek, whether you're setting it down on a boardroom table or flipping it open in an airport lounge. What really blows my mind when holding this device are the physical dimensions. For a laptop packing this level of next-generation internal technology, it is remarkably compact. It measures just 12.36 inches long, 8.81 inches deep, and it's an incredibly thin 0.67 inches thick. It perfectly embraces the traditional notebook form factor, while feeling exceptionally premium, durable, and solid. You can slide this laptop into practically any briefcase or backpack without feeling that dreaded shoulder strain. When you're commuting back and forth to the office every single day, every ounce matters. Dell has engineered this chassis perfectly for the modern, highly mobile workforce. Now, let's open up that silver lid and talk about the display. For business users, the screen is your actual digital workspace. You're going to be staring at this thing for 8 to 10 hours a day, so it needs to be phenomenal. Thankfully, Dell delivered on this front. The Latitude 7455 features a stunning 14-inch LED display, but it's not just your standard 1080p screen. It boasts a brilliant Quad HD Plus native resolution of 2560 by 1600. What that specific resolution gives you is a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is the absolute sweet spot for professional productivity. That extra vertical screen real estate means you can see significantly more rows in your Excel spreadsheets and read more lines of text without having to constantly scroll down. It's built using advanced in-plane switching or IPS technology, which means your viewing angles are virtually perfect. The colors remain accurate, covering a full 100% of the color gamut. Dell also thoughtfully included their proprietary Comfort View Plus technology to reduce harmful blue light emissions right at the hardware level, actively protecting your eyes without giving the screen an unnatural yellow tint. Add in a maximum display brightness of 400 nits, perfect for working outdoors, along with a highly responsive 60 Hz capacitive in-cell touchscreen, and you have a display that is an absolute joy to use. Let us move on to the performance. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the revolutionary Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite video processor, specifically the X1E 80-100 chipset. For decades, Windows laptops have been dominated by x86 architecture, which often struggled to balance power with battery life. The Snapdragon X Elite changes all of that. This processor is built specifically for incredible thermal efficiency and insane multi-core computing performance. When paired with the integrated Qualcomm Adreno graphics, utilizing fast GDDR5 memory, You get a machine that wakes from sleep in a fraction of a second, boots up instantly, and handles complex calculations effortlessly. But here is the real kicker for this specific configuration. It comes loaded with a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM. In a thin and light 14-inch business laptop, that is practically unheard of. If you're the type of person who leaves 50 browser tabs open, runs data analysis software, has Microsoft Teams constantly syncing, and streams music all at once, this laptop will not even stutter. It's an absolute multitasking monster. For your file storage needs, you're getting a highly responsive 512 gigabyte M.2 NVMe solid-state drive. This hard disk gives you fast read and write speeds, meaning your massive project files and applications open in the blink of an eye. 512 gigabytes is the perfect sweet spot, giving you plenty of local storage for critical daily files, while relying on the cloud for everything else. You also can't talk about the Snapdragon X Elite without talking about artificial intelligence. The Dell Latitude 7455 is officially certified as a Copilot PC. What does that mean for your daily workflow? It means that this laptop has a dedicated neuroprocessing unit built right into the Qualcomm chip to handle advanced AI tasks locally. You get features like real-time live captions that translate video calls instantly, and advanced Windows Studio effects that blur your background and use the built-in webcam to keep your eyes looking directly at the lens. The AI does all this heavy lifting without draining your battery. Furthermore, because this is a serious tool for professionals, it comes preloaded with the Windows 11 Pro operating system. This operating system gives you enterprise-grade security features, seamless remote desktop capabilities, and everything an IT department needs to keep your sensitive business data safe. Let's wrap up by touching on connectivity and battery life. Even with its thin profile, the Latitude 7455 gives you a total of 3 USB ports, offering native video output support for HDMI, DisplayPort, and Thunderbolt-compatible connections. It works flawlessly with all your compatible devices, from external displays to mice, mechanical keyboards, and storage drives. Finally, driving all of this is a 54 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Because this laptop uses the highly efficient ARM-based Snapdragon X Elite, that battery capacity goes incredibly far, giving you all-day active battery life. So, what's the final verdict? The Dell Latitude 7455 with the Snapdragon X Elite, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and that gorgeous 14-inch touch display is a massive leap forward. It's quiet, it runs incredibly cool, it handles AI seamlessly, and it outlasts your longest days. If you want to future-proof your workflow, this is the business laptop to buy. Make sure you click the link in the description below to grab yours today. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll catch you in the next video.